Hi friends, welcome to Avi Divi's Lifestyle YouTube channel. Here in this video, I'm going to discuss about our experience in earning 30,000 monthly by just investing 3,000 on month basis. I'm going to share 100% proof here in this video. So requesting you all, do not skip this video. See the entire video. I have shared more information about business development here. So first of all, when I decided to do a work from home job, so I have explored myself and found out that normally voice calling job suits me so well. So if you see my prior experience in any of the corporates that I worked, I have only voice calling experience. So I have choose that as an option here. So when I was thinking about starting a work from home job, my cousin has introduced this to me. So he has come up with the idea stating that one of his friends is doing this. He has registered in Jestile. Yes friends, they are the promoters here. They promote our business very well. I'm going to share with you all how we have grown with Jestile, and also some minus is there. I will also share that detail also with you. So let's get started friends. So first of all, he has given us a contact number for the people who help us to start a new business in Jestile. So one of the person from that group has come to our house, and he has explained to us the entire policy details and entire package detail. So he informed us that we have to invest something around 3,000 on monthly basis and to get the leads. So when we it goes on a ECS basis, so automatically it will get debited from our account. So once we register, and later point, on a month basis we will be getting leads. Like on a daily basis we will have 5 to 6 leads. So from that leads we will have to create a potential lead. We need to call that 5 leads, say for example, and talk to them and explain them about our product. So here you may have a question, what is that product? You need to decide what product you are going to deal with. So here what we have decided is we need a support for people for selling this product. We need to know the knowledge about that product, and also we need to have a reliable source from where we are getting this product, because they are the supplier. They are going to give you the commission. So the commission is the one that I'm talking about, which is 30,000 rupees that we earn on a monthly basis. That's on an average I'm talking about. We have even earned more than that. So on an average it's 30,000 rupees. So what we have decided is we have to choose someone we know very well. So that's when we have decided to take up a product of our father's business. So my father and his brother and our cousins are doing a joint venture business, which is supplying hardware materials for construction products. Like for any construction related materials you want, they will be supplying it to you, like sand, bricks, blue metals, any type of construction related materials. So we had a tie-up with them. So what we have told them is if we have a potential lead, we will be forwarding that lead to them. So they will be supplying the product from their end to the customer. So when the customer is making the payment, we will get our commission from the supplier, which is my father. So we started getting commission from our father's business. So that's when we started earning 30,000 monthly by just sitting at home. I myself and my husband has did this. So he was doing a separate job, and apart from that I was taking care of this entirely from my side. So if you have confidence in doing something like this and you want to grow, you can rely on Jestile. Initially we had some kind of questions on whether they are going to give us potential lead. So at times we used to get even fake leads, wherein when you call customer they will say that they have not inquired anything. It's just like that, it's a Google leads, wherein if you search something they will forward that person detail to us as they have asked for your product. So at times it happens like that with Justile, but apart from that, our rating to Justile business is like 90% from our side. So we are not giving you any recommendation here for Justile or promoting here. We do have business like this, like work from home. So you need to find out which product you can sell from your side. You need to find out who are the reliable resources, who can give you commission properly. So with the help of my father's business, what I did is I have got multiple contacts, like multiple supplier details who are reliable, and multiple builders details. So we started supplying lot of product across Chennai. It has got developed from our side, and this business was going extremely well from our side. So it is very easy, friends, to do this business. Same like that, you have to choose your own product. So let me give you one more example here. So if you are a woman and you have a close relationship with a beauty parlor person, okay, who is running a beauty parlor for women, and you have a contact with them and they have a wide range of contacts, and if you decide to sell few products to that particular beauty parlor, you can take them, okay, as a supplier. Like you can get leads for them, you can sell leads to them, and you can develop your business by selling your products to them. So likewise, you need to find out people who are doing it. So there are different ways to develop also, friends. So I'm going to publish part 2 video also on this. So if you like this video, please comment your feedback in the comment section, and also subscribe our channel. Click the bell button icon and all button icon, wherein you will be getting all the notification. So we have lot more contented videos here with us. Please stay tuned, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.